to make cookies. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare delicious cookies. Let's do it!
You will need butter, a cup of sugar, and a cup of flour. First of all, put all the ingredients in the container: sugar, flour, and butter. Now comes the best part. Let's have fun with the recipe. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty.
Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook.
Now you can play with the dough. You can create shapes and use your imagination.
Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook.
In sequence, spread the butter in the container and sprinkle the flour. Shake, shake, shake! Great job, guys! After that, organize everything and ask for help for your parents to put these delights in the oven. Wait about 25 minutes and tan 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 tan. Look, our cookies!
Cook, 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 cook.
Bye bye, kids! Mwah.